Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we re-diving into a topic that is on every e-bike rider's mind at some point. The battery upgrade. Is it time? Will it give you more range? More power? Let's break it all down. So, why would you even consider upgrading your e-bike battery? The most common reason is range anxiety. You love your bike, but you wish you could go just a little bit further without constantly checking that battery meter. Maybe your daily commute is getting longer, or you want to tackle those epic weekend trails without worrying about getting stranded. A new, higher capacity battery can be a total game changer, literally doubling your range in some cases. Another big reason is performance degradation. Like any battery, your e-bike's power source loses capacity over time. After a few hundred charge cycles, you will start to notice that a full charge just doesn't take you as far as it used to. If your bike feels like it's running out of steam faster than before, an upgrade can bring it back to life, and then some. Now let's talk about the key things to look for when you're shopping for a new battery. The two big numbers you'll see are volts and AMP hours. Think of volts as the power or pressure of the electricity. For most upgrades, you'll want to stick with the same voltage as your original battery. For example, if you have a 48-volt system, you should get a 48-volt replacement. Mismatching voltage can seriously damage your bike's motor and controller, so this is super important. The other number, AMP hours or is all about capacity. This is like the size of your fuel tank. The higher the AMP hours, the more energy the battery can store, and the further you can ride. If your old battery was 10 AMP hours, upgrading to a 15 or 20 AMP hour battery will give you a massive boost in range, assuming it physically fits on your bike. And that brings us to the next crucial point: physical size and fit. Batteries come in all shapes and sizes. There are Shark-style batteries that mount on the down tube, rear rack batteries, and even custom and frame designs. Before you click buy, you have to measure your bike's battery compartment or mounting area carefully. Make sure the new battery and its mounting bracket will fit without interfering with your pedals, suspension, or any other parts. Many reputable sellers provide detailed dimensions, so get out that tape measure. Compatibility with your bike's controller and charger is also key. As we mentioned, matching the voltage is non-negotiable. You also need to ensure the battery's discharge connector is the same as what your bike's controller uses, or be prepared to use an adapter. Also, a new, higher capacity battery often requires a new charger. Using your old, weaker charger on a big new battery can take forever to charge or, in some cases, not work properly. It's often best to buy the battery and charger as a matched set from the same supplier. So, where do you find these magical new batteries? There are many great online retailers who specialize in e-bike components. Look for sellers with good reviews, clear product descriptions, and solid warranties. A good warranty, usually at least 1 year, is a sign that the company stands behind the quality of their battery cells, which are the heart of the battery pack. Brands that use cells from reputable manufacturers like Samsung, LG, or Panasonic are usually a safe bet. Let's walk through the actual installation process. First and foremost, safety. Always turn your e-bike off completely before disconnecting the old battery. Most batteries are mounted on a cradle and locked in place with a key. Simply unlock it and slide or lift the old battery out. Installing the new one is usually just the reverse process. If you're using the same mounting cradle, it should slide right on and lock into place. If the new battery comes with a new cradle, you'll have to unscrew the old one from your bike frame and bolt the new one on. It's usually just a couple of bolts, but make sure it's secure. Once mounted, connect the power cable to your controller, turn on your bike, and see if the display powers up. It's an amazing feeling to see that fresh, full battery gauge. Upgrading your e-bike battery can totally transform your riding experience, giving you the freedom to explore further and ride longer. Just remember to do your homework. Match the voltage, measure for fit, and buy from a reputable source. I hope this guide was helpful. If you've upgraded your battery, share your experience in the comments below. What battery did you get, and how has it changed your rides? We'd all love to hear about it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more e-bike tips, and we'll see you on the next ride.